Mistakes happen, and that's why Errors and Omissions Insurance is essential for small businesses. This insurance provides financial coverage against accidental errors or claims of negligence. In Canada, over 100,000 small businesses trust this insurance for their peace of mind. It's easy to get started with an instant price online, and coverage can be secured in just a few clicks. Additionally, expert brokers are available 24/7 for any claims support you may need. Errors and omissions. Insurance, also known as professional liability insurance, is vital for any business providing services or advice for a fee. This coverage protects professionals from client claims alleging financial loss. It typically includes coverage for legal costs and damages in several areas. For instance, if there are negligent acts or errors related to the services you provide, or if your media services lead to a defamation lawsuit, your insurance can cover these costs. So, how much does Errors and Omissions Insurance cost? On average, a policy with a limit of $100,000 costs around $250 annually. Various factors determine your premium, including your industry, years of experience, number of employees, and business size. Understanding who needs this insurance is crucial. If your work involves providing advice or developing products for clients, errors and omissions. Insurance is necessary. Some professions may require this insurance to operate legally, but how much coverage should you get? Generally, it's ideal to purchase as much coverage as you can afford. It's wise to consider your business size, industry, and potential risk exposure when determining the right amount. Consulting with a broker can help tailor a policy to your needs. It's also important to know what Errors and Omissions Insurance does not cover. This policy typically excludes criminal acts, securities violations, and incorrect profit estimates, among others. You might wonder how this insurance differs from general liability insurance. While general liability focuses on third-party property damage or bodily injury, Errors and Omissions Insurance deals with lawsuits alleging negligence or failure to provide services as promised. Let's look at some common scenarios that illustrate why this insurance is necessary. In one case, an AdTech startup in Ontario accidentally sends emails to the wrong audience. The client sues for disruption to their business, and the Errors and Omissions Insurance may cover legal fees and related expenses, totaling $100,000. In another example, a Realtor in Vancouver assures a client that they can build a garage on a newly purchased property. When the permit gets declined, the client sues for professional negligence, potentially requiring $60,000 in coverage. Additionally, a wedding planner overlooks booking a photographer, leading to a lawsuit from dissatisfied clients. In this case, Errors and Omissions Insurance may help cover legal fees and losses, amounting to $20,000. As you can see, the need for Errors and Omissions Insurance can be vast and varied. It's crucial for small businesses to protect themselves against the potential financial fallout of accidental mistakes. In summary, Errors and Omissions. Insurance is a vital part of safeguarding your business. It covers a variety of professional services and protects against potentially costly legal fees. If you're interested in protecting your business, consider getting a free quote today. Don't wait for an accident to happen. Ensure your business is covered to avoid devastating financial consequences. Reach out now to safeguard your peace of mind. Visit zensurance.com to get a free quote in minutes.